too long, Americans were looking at the state of our infrastructure saying, why can't we have nice things? And the answer was, it was a choice, because the funding just wasn't there. That's what we've changed. With project after project, from six-figure projects to fix a crosswalk or a streetlight somewhere, to projects that will invest hundreds of millions of dollars to save lives, like the one that we're celebrating today.
You know, the project behind us is about a $200 million project. $36 million of it is federal dollars. So that is part and parcel of what we've been able to bring in at the federal level. But in total so far from the federal level, we've had $7 billion in road and bridge funding come into Michigan since the legislation, the bipartisan infrastructure law, was passed in 2021. It is important to understand that that investment is going to pay dividends for generations. Folks in Washington have been talking about getting infrastructure done, Democrats and Republicans. This is the concrete living example of how it actually materializes.
We're really excited. We know that there is some temporary inconvenience, but I tell everybody that this is what fixing the damn roads looks like. You can't just go like that and have new roads. This is what we do. We have construction workers that are here fixing our roads, making them better, making it easier to travel.
Our federal dollars go a lot further when you have leaders who understand the importance of infrastructure, and that is exactly what you have here in Michigan.